Actually, you ain't got nothing else.
Can you grab my meds?
Officers arrived at a residence to serve an active warrant on a man sleeping on the couch. What began as a routine arrest quickly turned into an emotional and surprisingly cooperative encounter as he said goodbye to his loved ones before being taken into custody.
Hi.
Hey, just coming back to check. It's Cody here.
He's sitting on the couch.
He's sitting on the couch?
He's asleep, but
okay.
yeah. Sorry it took me so long.
He's in here. She's letting us come in.
He's
sleep on the couch.
I just don't.
Hey, Cody, you got a warrant for your arrest, man. Just go ahead and turn around for me.
Just don't fight.
My shoes on?
Yeah, just turn around for me. I'll let you throw your shoes on.
He won't fight, yeah. He just wants to put his shoes on.
Interlace your fingers for me.
He just wants to put his shoes on.
You know where your shoes are at, man?
Get back to me.
There's going to be another officer that's going to come up to that door.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It says failure to comply or something with the court, so either you didn't show up or...
Kenya!
Okay. Where are the shoes at?
They're right here.
Okay, go ahead and grab them, man. I'll just hold on to you so you don't fall.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Like this. I can't grab those.
Hold on, bud.
I wasn't going to fight with you or nothing.
You're good, man.
Okay. Do you just want to put yours, just slide them on? Cody?
I can't just slide them on. I need my socks and shit.
Okay, I'll get. Do you want those? Or you want me to get you a pair of socks?
I need to grab them.
Here. I'm just trying to help you out. Here you go, bud.
You can take a seat if you need to, man.
Yeah. Hi.
Pull that knife out of my back pocket, will you?
Oh, this is. You can come. You can. Yeah.
Oh, that's all right.
Is
there anything you don't want to go to jail with you? Do you have any cigarettes on you? Because I can't have you take those.
No.
I got a lighter in my pocket.
Okay. You won't be able to take that either. Left pocket?
Anything, bud?
Which pocket you have your lighter in?
This one.
Okay.
That? Come on, bud. You're not. Come here.
Okay.
These little turds. I got the. You want me to help you put your socks on?
Mom, this thing.
Oh, baby. I just didn't want Kenya to get out.
She did. Can you uncuff me for just a second? I'm not going to go to work. Can you uncuff me for just a second? I'm not going to go to work.
You don't got to throw socks or stuff on, man. They're going to change you out anyway. So if you just want to kick your shoes on.
I can help you. I know he's.
I need a fucking cigarette.
Can you smoke a cigarette real quick?
Once we get out there, yeah. If you want to throw your shoes on first, we'll get you out there. Since you've been cool.
You know me. I try to be cool, man.
Where's Sylvia been? She been hanging out lately? I know she went back to Ray's.
I have no clue.
You not talking to her?
No. I try to stay to myself, man.
She's probably people you don't want to hang out around.
I know, new shoes, huh? Or stiff shoes.
Here, I'm just going to double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
They're already tight as fuck.
Which one? Both of them?
He gets those from me. He gets it.
So that is got it. Fucking left.
Oh, he's trying. Are you going to loosen it up for him?
Yeah, I'm tight.
Kenya, do not go out that door. No. See, I know, I'm just going to cut my fingernails off today.
I have a shirt too.
What's that?
It's sitting on the couch.
Yeah, I'll have her grab it.
I'll grab it. I don't know how you wear your shoes like that, bud. Here, sit on. I'll
It'll
put
be
your
for 2.5.
I'll put your shoestrings.
Okay, you gotta at least pull the strings out.
Oh, there, that's good. Can ya? You little tush. A little bit better, I hope. Go ahead. Still no?
No, this fucking dumbass handcuffs wasn't on.
No, baby. I'm sorry. It's just.
It's like I'm gonna fucking do something stupid.
Get out.
I'm starting to get pissed off.
You can't get a shoe on.
It's fucking done.
Okay. Do you want a cigarette?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's stop acting like that then.
Will you help her out a little bit, please?
I don't touch people's shoes.
No.
What is this for?
Said either failure to appear or failure to comply. I can't remember what it is.
No. You're new, bub. That's what's going on.
No, listen up.
I did, baby. Just keep sliding. Keep sliding. Oh. Here.
They're brand new.
They're brand new.
I appreciate you out of you. That's all I need. Thank
Here,
you.
here. Don't strip.
You can just take a seat right here if you want to smoke.
Trip over your shoestrings here, sir. Nice one. You got it right. Nice one.
Here you go.
Don't you dare, mister.
You don't smoke me.
Nope. Smoke cigars and that's about it.
Unless you got that big rubber.
I love you, bub. It's muggy as can be.
You better call Austin. Have his ass come down here to help you out.
I will, bud. I will.
What's that?
I will.
Ours or theirs or what?
I will.
The number? I think it's ours. I can't remember exactly.
Or was that our 15 and 340 They can't do their job.
No.
I'll call Bob. He'll come down and help me. I'm okay. I'm okay for now. Without my two hands. No, I'm coming in. I love you. I'll call Austin here in a little bit. Okay? You okay?
Yeah, you should have answered the door.
I love you.
When we get over the car, I'm just going to do another check of your pockets and stuff, like an actual search. You don't have anything else on you? Okay.
We're back to online.
No, it's not yet. What's that?
We take that bracelet off and give it to my mom. It's got my
How does it come off? Bottom?
Yep. Other way.
And get it.
Yeah, it's got my grandma's ashes.
He just wants you to have this.
Oh!
All right.
Over his grandma's
Yep.
ashes.
I love you too.
Yeah, don't be mad at her, man. It's bound to happen at some point, but...
Would you ever run if we saw you on the street?
Huh?
Would you ever run if we saw you on the street?
I ain't gonna answer that.
What?
I ain't gonna answer that. No, probably not.
I was gonna
I
say,
ain't got no reason to run.
you got a dog and yeah, you got all kinds of caution, so it wouldn't work out.
Yeah. Maybe I probably could have got away from him.
Last guy couldn't get away from me.
I just talking shit. I don't know. I ain't been in jail in like 5 years.
Yeah?
Do you know what? You have any recent court cases you're supposed to show up for?
I don't think I got a little petty theft. Yeah, I went to court for that. That's all she said. I got
Actually, ain't got nothing else.
Can you grab my meds?
Meds.
Yeah, I got epilepsy.
Okay. No, last time you went out there, I think they provide epilepsy meds.
You provide Keppra?
I'll grab you.
Hey, Loudman, you want the cash to go with him instead of going to the jail?
Yeah.
Just $1 bill, but just so he doesn't have to check it into his stuff.
Beer money.
What's that?
So that was my beer money.
We're right across the street. You usually go to this place?
No. Me and him don't get along.
Okay. All right, step on in here, take a seat
He's a
for me.
racist fucker.
The guy that owns this, I've never met him. It sounds like your warrant's out of us, so it was probably the city's case that you were dealing with. Maybe the theft. Let's see if that comes out.
All Delaware wants is money.
What's that?
All Delaware wants is money.
Yeah.
I ain't got no money.